Assalamualaikum student, this is your science lecture and today our topic is body temperature, and this is the second way that scientists use to put animals into different groups. You have to know that what is temperature. Temperature is how hot or cold something is. There are two types of animals present in the world on the basis of body temperature. Some animals keep their body temperature same. They do not change their body temperature whether it is hot outside and whether it is cold outside. Their body temperature remain always same, and these animals are called warm-blooded animals. वार्म ब्लडेड एनिमल्स अपना बॉडी टेम्परेचर चेंज नहीं करते, इसलिए इन्वायरमेंट में होने वाली हर चेंजिंग को वो फील करते हैं। जैसे ही इन्वायरमेंट हॉट होता है तो उनकी बॉडी फील करती है कि देयर इज़ हॉट आउटसाइड। व्हेन देयर इज़ कोल्ड आउटसाइड देयर बॉडी फील दिस चेंजिंग आल्सो। सो दीज एनिमल्स आर वार्म ब्लडेड एनिमल्स। द अदर एनिमल्स change their body temperature with the environment. These animals are called cold-blooded animals because they change their body temperature with environment. When it is cold outside, they brought changing in their body temperature. जैसे ही बाहर का टेम्परेचर कोल्ड होता है तो वो अपनी बॉडी टेम्परेचर को ऐसे चेंज करते हैं कि वो उस कोल्डनेस को फील नहीं करते। सिमिलरली जैसे ही इन्वायरमेंट का टेम्परेचर थोड़ा हॉट होता है तो वो अपनी बॉडी में ऐसी चेंजिंग लाते हैं, अपनी बॉडी टेम्परेचर को ऐसे चेंज करते हैं कि वो उस हॉटनेस को फील नहीं करते। सो दीज एनिमल्स आर कॉल्ड कोल्ड ब्लडेड एनिमल्स। We have discussed two types of animals. Some animals do not change their body temperature. That animals are called warm-blooded animals. And that animals which can change their body temperature with environment are called cold-blooded animals. Do not change their body temperature warm-blooded animals, and change their body temperature cold-blooded animals. Example of warm-blooded animals are humans and birds. So, students, you know we are humans and we are warm-blooded animals because we feel changing that comes in our environment. So we are warm-blooded animals. Same, birds are also warm-blooded animals. Example of cold-blooded animals. Fish, reptiles and amphibians are cold-blooded animals. When their environment temperature is changed, they bring changing in their body temperature so that they can survive in very cold conditions and in very hot conditions. Yes students, this is the information about body temperature. In this topic we learned two types of animals, warm-blooded and cold-blooded. I hope you will understand this. In previous lectures we have learned two words, amphibians and reptiles. Now we learn about them. Who are we? Our skin is covered with scales. We are cold-blooded. We lay eggs. We are reptiles. What are reptiles? That animal whose body is covered with scale. They lay eggs and they are cold-blooded animals. They are called reptiles. What are reptiles? Three qualities are present in reptiles. First, skin covered with scale. Second, they lay eggs. And third, they are cold-blooded animals. Example of reptiles are crocodile and snake. Second question, what are amphibians? We live on land and also in water. We are cold-blooded. We don't have scales on our skin. We are amphibians. There are three qualities are present in amphibians. First, they live both in land and water. वो एनिमल्स जो दोनों पानी और ज़मीन दोनों पे रहते हैं उन्हें एम्फीबियंस बोलते हैं। दे आर कोल्ड ब्लडेड। देयर स्किन आर नॉट कवर्ड विद स्केल। So what are amphibians? Live in water and land. They are cold-blooded and skin is not covered with scale. Example of amphibians are frog and toad. Frog and toad live in both conditions, water and land. And this is the last lecture of our unit number 2, the animals world. Thank you.